Russ from Griffiths Ford here. Over the next 3 segments, we're going to talk about roof racks. Since spring is upon us, and we're all looking to get out, get some adventure, get some stuff done. The roof racks, we're going to talk about 3 different ones in 3 different segments. The first one we've got is right behind me. It's the Expedition. The Expedition has roof rails along it. There is other vehicles that do not have the roof rails. We'll deal with all 3 of them over the 3 segments that we do here. This particular one is very easy to put on and very simple to get happening. So what we have here is the front rail for the Expedition. It is tilted and it tells you that it's forward and that it is the front rail. It also has one attachment on each end so that you can strap stuff down and it's very easy to do. You also have the roof rails which have attachments on them as well. In order to put these on, it is very simple. All you need to do is take them up there. You have in the box, in a bag, all of the bolts. You also have the tool for tightening the bolts. So what you do is you just take it up, you put it up, you put the bolts in loosely, get everything ready, and then tighten up the bolts. And that's it. You're done. You can put anything you want on there. Kayak rack, canoe rack, luggage box. There's so many things that you can put up there, and then you're ready to go. You have all your gear to get out and get some fun. Thank you for watching this, and drive safe.